Hello everyone. Today I got placed in Infosys. It is in Bangalore. And coming to me, my name is Asha. I'm living in Tumkur district, Karnataka state. I done my graduation in Asha Institution of Technology. And I'm a 2020 passed out student. My overall CGPA is 57.5. And after that time, I'm searching job thoroughly, but I'm not getting job anywhere. And I found a vision through online. Through online, I done my job internship under the guidance of IT manager and then administrator. You can find good mentors, good administrator in the Avision team. I would like to thank for Avision team and the mentors. For fresher, don't waste your time and money. Go and join for Avision. You will got a wonderful career in Avision. They do wonderful they do 100% job placement. Thank you for Avision team. I'm very much thank you for that.
Thank you, Evision.
Join eVision, join job.